Imagine you're on a plane, no Wi-Fi, and you need to update a project in Wrike. Can you do it? This is a question that has plagued many Wrike users. Let's dive into the world of Wrike offline capabilities. Wrike is a popular project management tool known for its versatility and features. But does it stand up to the test when you're disconnected from the internet? Understanding Wrike's offline features. Wrike's offline functionality is designed to provide users with a certain level of autonomy when they're not connected to the internet. It allows you to view tasks, projects, and folders, as well as make basic edits. However, there are limitations. What can you do offline? View and edit tasks. You can see your tasks, their due dates, and descriptions. You can also add or edit comments. Update task status. Mark tasks as completed, in progress, or not started. Add or edit subtasks. Create and manage subtasks within your main tasks. View and edit project details. Access project information, including the project name, description, and start/end dates. View and edit folder structure. Navigate through your folders and subfolders. Limitations of Wrike offline. No new task creation. You cannot create new tasks while offline. Limited editing capabilities. While you can edit existing tasks, there are certain limitations, such as not being able to change due dates or assign tasks to different users. No synchronization. Changes made offline won't be synchronized with the cloud until you reconnect to the internet. Tips for using Wrike offline effectively. Plan ahead. Before going offline, make sure you have all the necessary information and tasks downloaded. Use offline mode wisely. Be mindful of the limitations and only make essential changes while offline. Sync regularly. When you reconnect to the internet, make sure to sync your changes to avoid conflicts. Comparison to other tools. Asana. Asana also offers offline capabilities, but the extent of these features may vary. Trello. Trello's offline functionality is more limited, primarily allowing you to view boards and cards. Monday.com. Monday.com's offline features are similar to Wrike's, providing basic viewing and editing capabilities. Future outlook. While Wrike's offline features are functional, there's always room for improvement. It's possible that Wrike will expand its offline capabilities in the future, offering more robust features and syncing options. So, does Wrike work offline? Yes, but with limitations. While it's a great tool for staying productive on the go, it's important to understand its capabilities and plan accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.